go. Here's a little bit of a trick. Sorry if I get to blocking the camera up. But this, I ran my S10 into a tree, moving some shit. It wasn't real hard, probably about 4 or 5 miles an hour. It didn't bend nothing up. Just broke the plastic grip. Now, you can tell it's been broken before. This time there's a chunk missing. This is a piece of Rubbermaid tub. Now, it's thinner plastic than this grill is. It's more malleable, so it's going to melt. We put that down in there and just cut it with a pair of tin snips where it fits. And the best thing I found, you know, you could get some plastic welding rods, all that stuff. But if you're like me and you're cheap, and you ain't got no money spent on them, zip ties. Now, the black zip ties work good. The white zip ties work good. Any kind of zip tie, because they're really thin and they got a low burn rate. Or they melt really low temperature. They're not. So I've already got the torch going there. Didn't think I had a torch going. I do. Now I use a propane torch. You can use a heat gun or whatever. Just want to heat it up. Shit. Damn it, no one enough that side. Get a screwdriver. Put that back down in there. You can see I'm touching it and then letting off. It keeps melting a little bit. Even though I let off of the heat. That's about as far as I'm melting down, about halfway. And I'll start over here. Give me a little puddle going. It's alright if it's got a little flame. You can blow it out, you can let it melt. Whichever, it's really up to you. Now I'm not going for looks. So if you was trying to go for looks, you know, you wouldn't do it this way. But if you're just trying to make it stick back together where your grill ain't gonna fall off your pickup, then you can do it like this. You see that Rubbermaid tub just melting away? Just smear it around a little bit, make it spread out some where it's gonna stick. Right. Get a little gooey. That's a good thing. Ain't always a bad thing. Right, you can just spread it on up in the hole there. Just like you would with Bondo or anything else, fiberglass. Now I've seen people do this with fiberglass or whatever. Now these grills are cheap. They're like 60, 70 bucks. You can go to the junkyard and get one for 25, 30 bucks. But this truck's just an old beater truck. Drive it back and forth to work. 5 or 6 miles a day. Got 215,000 miles on it. And just fix it when it breaks. It don't owe me nothing. So I like to keep it somewhat decent. that piece. Now give me a little piece right here. I can drop it down in there. Push it on down in. Use a screwdriver and push it on down in there. You don't want to light that on fire, really. You can, I mean, that's up to you, but I really just try to get the main stuff kind of stuck back together. Now, you know, this is just an old Rubbermaid tub that was cracked down the side, and I ain't have no lid for it, so you know, just a little bit of something. And fly in the garage, bothering the piss out of me. Tin snip there, and I'm going to cut my little piece off here. Put in right there. And mush him on back in there. Heat him up a little bit. Spread him on out a little bit. It's just that easy. You just melting plastic to plastic. But when you melt it like this, you're really changing the plastic. You know, the grill is going to get really hard where you're heating it at. It's not going to be real flimsy like it was before. Or whatever you're doing this on, really. It's not going to be hard plastic or flimsy like it was. It's going to be stiff as shit. Kind of work it down in there. You work it in there where you need it. And that's all you got to do. Now there was a big hole right there. There ain't no hole there no more. There ain't no piece missing. So I can put this screw in and this screw in and don't have to worry about it falling off the truck. And say you need a little bit more, you can heat you up a zip tie. Pretty much use that as a filler rod. So you know that crack's fixed. Now I gotta do a wait for it to cool down. And I might do me a little bit more over here on this side where it's cracked further down. And a little bit over there. But other than that, that's how you do it.